Hello guys, today we'll talk about modern and chic patio ideas for your garden. When determining, planning and designing your perfect patio design, lots of ideas can flood into your mind. You have some ideas to inspire you when designing your outdoor space, which you can customize and add your own touch to it. The better place to start is with the proper patio design layout, just like marrying a room for furniture. Knowing the dimensions and the furniture you would like to put there follows the same rules of the space management. You can go to the area over the edge of the cement or brick flooring area, but it throws off the entire space. If you intend to incorporate the yard into your design, it should have equal billing as the covered space itself. Accommodate that space with similar colors, all your patio design furniture matching, complete with coverings like umbrellas or canvas. No matter who you are, you can all agree that a controlled fire is romantic and offers a mindful catharsis that only the waves crashing can top. Putting in a fire pit or chimney not only warms the area but adds an element of the calm reservation to space. It is no secret. Cement is cold and hard. If you want to have breakfast outside, it might be wise to get a floor covering. Something like decorative outdoor rug would work correctly. For your furniture, about how about something that has two uses? An Ottoman coffee table with storage within is an excellent place to put extra outdoor items like bug spray or outdoor blankets. Picking the right lighting set the mood. Make sure your lighting fits the motifs you are going for. If you are going simple, then they should be essential. However, if you want a classier feel, maybe use outdoor chandeliers. You will get plenty of use out of your outdoors area. This is much more enjoyable to use a space that is comfortable, attractive, and organized. Be picky about your options and protect them when not in use. Plastic covers molded for outside furnitures are readily available and not expensive. So this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like the patio ideas. If you like it, subscribe our channel and hit the like.